Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make poisonous potions in Minecraft. Poisonous potions can be very tricky to start off, not knowing which potion do you want. Do you want potion of poison, potion of harming? Now I'm going to show you how to do a poisonous potion, which is a potion of poison. There's different steps to it. You can make them longer, you can make them stronger, and I'm going to show you this step by step. First, as any potion, you need a brewing stand. This is your terminal. Brewing stand needs to be fueled by blaze powder, which can be found by killing the blaze mobs, which gives you blaze sticks. You're going to get 3 water bottles. Water bottles with your normal bottles. If you right click the ocean, it will give you clear water. And then you're going to press your nether warts. Nether warts can be found in the nether, and they're one of the easiest materials you can find in the nether. This will give you something called an awkward potion. An awkward potion does have no side effects or anything when you drink it. It's just the first step to making your potion of poison. Please take your awkward potions, and then you're going to go into here. You're going to do your awkward potion the same, but now you're going to put your spider eye. Spider eye can be mostly found by killing spiders. Spider give you string, and they give you XP plus spider eyes. Some have a chance of giving you 1 or 2, some have a chance of giving you nothing at all. This is the first step of the potion of poison, which lasts for, I'm pretty sure, 45 seconds. Take your potion of poison. If you want to make them longer, you want to do the same by putting the potion of poison here, but then surrounding it with a redstone dust. This is going to make it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. This is going to make it much longer. The potion of poison, the first one, is 18 hearts, and it lasts for 45 seconds. But it stops at the half heart ratio. So if you're half-hearted, it's not going to kill you. But if you continue to heal, it's going to continue to keep damaging you. If you want to make them stronger, you're going to take a potion of poison over here, and you're going to put your glowstone dust. Now this is not going to work at the 1 minute 30. This has to work at the 45 seconds. So let's say I do take potion of poison here to show you what I mean. This is going to make it into poison 2. Poison 2, it lasts for 21 seconds, but it is much stronger and a much harder effect on the person. It's not going to damage them more, but it's a much faster duration. So rather than it taking half a heart, for example, it's going to take them 1 to 2 hearts every rate for them to die. So this is how to make your poisonous potion. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.